Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to dissect exactly how we're going to take myEcon to another level and make duplication super simple, easy, and most importantly, effective, especially for the brand newest person. Now, make sure you watch this video all the way through, get all of the details, have all of the information so you can make an informed decision. Is myEcon going to be a good fit for you? And if you watch all the way till the end, I'm going to throw you a little something that's going to help you with your decision so you can be fully informed and make the right decision for you, your family, and your bank account. So let's dive into the information now real quick before we get there. If you're new to learning about myEcon, or maybe checking out the channel for the first time, or maybe just watching me for the first time, do me a favor, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. And of course, if you want to get started, links down in the description below. Or if you have any questions for me at any point, you can drop a comment, or I'll leave my phone number right there at the top of this video. You can reach out and ask me anything. So let's dive in. Let's talk about myEcon, and specifically, let's talk about duplication. Here we go. Now, I recently did a video talking about the next phase this year of myEcon, which is going to be massive momentum. And this is all going to be tied to a campaign that we are putting together all around income shifting, which is one of their core products, which is going to help people, and not going to, it already is and has been for decades now, helping people shift their income around and put more income back in their pocket without even recruiting a single person. So you got to understand how powerful that is. Most businesses that operate online will make these big, bold claims of, hey, in their compensation plan, they have things called power lines where, they advertise that you can make X amount of dollars without recruiting a single person. But all of those are based on hypotheticals. They're based on a theory. Now, mathematically, we haven't seen anyone actually do those with those big, bold claims that a lot of these other companies and marketers make. But with income shifting, we have the data. This marketing campaign is literally driven by data. So if that makes sense to you, put that in the comments down below. Driven by data. This is all based on real life, black and white factual evidence. And the fact that the income shifting is 100% IRS approved because it's simply just a tax form. So it's something that people could join and get started with myEcon and instantly put more money back in their pocket. People are literally giving themselves an instant pay raise without having to talk to their boss, without having to get a second job. And it's all because of myEcon. So straightforward, guys. I know I'll probably have, at the time of this video, when you see it, I'll probably have this middle section here blurred out because this is going to be proprietary to our team. At least I think. I might open this up. We'll see. Because at the end of the day, we want everyone winning in myEcon. So you can see over on the left-hand side, we're going to give people everything that they need to create a 30-day launch campaign, all in and around income shifting and helping people put more money back in their pockets. So I'll kind of walk you through it right here. We have 10 hooks that you could use literally for anywhere in your marketing. We have 10 email swipes, including subject lines, which are going to be ready to go, ready to use. 10 short form videos, literally everything you need from the hook, what you're going to say in the video, what you're going to show on your screen, the call to action at the end of the video. That is all going to be there too. So all of that. 10 YouTube video ideas from the hook. Again, everything you need in the YouTube video that people can have and go run with. Okay. And then 10 direct message templates that people can use for direct messaging, 10 Facebook post ideas, 10 different graphic images that people can use in their Facebook post. Literally, it's going to be everything, everywhere you would market your business online, especially on social media, from posts to, like I said, emails to messaging to all of that, hooks, keywords, all of those things is all going to be in this document right here. This document is currently 12 pages. It's probably going to be 15 or even 20 pages by the time I'm done with it. But here's the most important thing that is going to help with the duplication, that is going to help the average everyday person be able to plug in. And of course, we're going to have all of this information in our team training site, and we're going to spell out for you in a step-by-step series of training videos how to use this duplicatable information. So you're going to have everything that you need to get out there and start sharing this information. And most importantly, at the end, what we're going to give people is a step-by-step PDF 30-day calendar. So you're going to know on every single day what you're going to do and when you're going to do it. And all you got to do is reference this document, grab the hook or grab the post, grab the picture, post it, rinse and repeat this process every single day for 30 days. If you want to create short form videos, you have the content. You want to create YouTube videos, you have the content. You want to message someone, you have exactly what to say and how to say it. Okay. It's all going to be right here. And this is what's going to help people when we take this to our team and this starts spreading like wildfire. It's going to go crazy because we already know that the concept is there, the hooks are there, the material there, the funnels, everything, the email follow-ups, everything is all in place for our team members to grab this. And like I said in the beginning, this is going to create a simple, easy to follow duplication machine, because when most people get started in network marketing or affiliate marketing or just creating their own businesses online, they have ideas of what to do, but most of the time it's not spelled out for them. And if it is, there's a lot of gaps. There's a lot of like, oh, go drive traffic. Okay, cool. Well, then what? What does traffic look like? Where do I get the traffic? How does that whole process work, right? But now it's going to be broken down super, super, super simple. And it's all going to be here on this document and on the calendar for anybody to use. So this is it right here, my friends. This is the next phase of myEcon, and we're going to make it about as stupid, simple, easy for you as possible. So I hope you can appreciate that. And if you have, like I said, any questions for me, send me a text message, drop a comment down below. Happy to answer that for you. And if you made it to this point in the video, I truly do appreciate you. Thank you. If you haven't already, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content about myEcon, making money online, or just anything here on the channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. So lastly, if you want to see our team and how we give you over $11,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon membership, all you got to do is hit that end card, tap on that right here at the end of the screen, and you'll be taken over to that tutorial, and you can watch and learn and see it for yourself. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.